Yep, just like they say, if you can't help push the like button, then shit, man. I can't even help to make the videos. I mean, it is what it is, y'all. It is what it is. It's part of the game. Like they say, all great things do come to an end. This is part of the Christian game, baby. That's what it's all part of, baby. And what is up, everybody, man? So today I am hustling by myself, guys. Mario, he's working with the other loader driver, Aaron. So today, baby, it's gonna be inside out. That's exactly what it's gonna be, inside out. So basically, I'm just gonna do a few on the inside, like what I'm doing right now. And everything else is gonna be all up on the outside, baby. All up on the outside. But you know what? I don't really too much mind working by myself. Really don't. Hell, sometimes, believe it or not, man, you get a peace of mind working by yourself. So a lot of people don't know about that. But man, that's where I can just really actually just think to myself. You know? I mean, it is what it is, baby. It is what it is. It's all part of the game. So now I gotta do everything to this one right here. I gotta drain it, I gotta pull the motor, I gotta take the wheels off, cut the cats off, do the whole 9 yards. (2003) BMW 330i. Doesn't make nobody sense how many BMWs I crush on every damn load that I crush over here at the spot. Don't make no sense. And y'all know I'm telling the truth too. Y'all know I'm telling the truth about that. Everybody want to ride in luxury. But shit, if you got that luxury money, that repair money, huh? Woo, boy. I tell y'all, man, this is why I love my job. Oh, boy. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do the damn deal to this Expedition right here. I may show the motor pulling, I don't know. I'm not even 100% sure. I may not. I don't even know. I already been knocking cars back left to right already today. So basically, I'm the loader driver and the ground man today, y'all.